A grid map is given below. In this grid map, 75 is located at grid reference A1 and 42 is located at grid reference C2. What is the grid reference of 95? In this question, a grid is shown and the grid references of the two numbers in the grid are also given. The grid reference of the number 75 is A1 and the grid reference of the number 42 is C2. It is asked, what is the grid reference of the number 95? In the given grid, the column labels are given at the top and the row labels are given at the left-hand side of the grid. 75 is located at the intersection of column A and row 1. So the grid reference of 75 is A1. Similarly, 42 is located at the intersection of column C and row 2. So the grid reference of 42 is C2. The question is, what is the grid reference of 95? To find the grid reference of 95, column and row labels for the number 95 need to be identified. 95 is in column D and row 4. So 95 is located at the intersection of column D and row 4. So the grid reference of 95 is D4. Choice D is the correct answer. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel if you would like to get updates about new videos.